Hello everyone, my name is Adam, aka the Bus Guy, and I'm on my way to pick up a Project 1974 Poptop Westfalia. Follow me. So about a 2-hour drive to South San Diego, a few miles just from the border of Tijuana. I got a look at this bus in person, just a quick inspection of it. Everything seemed really nice on it. The seller was correct, no rust, no rot. A few lower quarter panels had some issues, but nothing major at all. Dog legs were really nice. All the interior was in there. I was pretty happy. We loaded this thing up, paid him, and we were on our way. The first spot we were going to go to after this here was directly to the body guy to get the body work done. And that happened fairly quickly. Took him about 45 hours of work, and from there straight to the paint shop. I couldn't be happier with the way the color came out. It's an L90B Brilliant Orange, back to original. Not only did they do the paint, they also helped with some of the window seals and making sure that everything was nice and clean when we picked it up. And from this point here, the motor had already been at the mechanic shop getting rebuilt, as well as the transmission. Came to visit it here. This is a 2-liter motor. We went with 2-liter and new clutch, all new parts on top of it, like the starter, the fuel pump, the gas tank. So many things were replaced. And then you can see here that it's back at my warehouse, and we started taking everything down, getting ready for the interior, putting the new window seals in, getting the new tent put on, new tires. These are the old tires here, but in the very next photo, there you go, brand new tires. The tent is on it. A lot of work has been done to it, as you can see, and the interior's in here, and it's coming along real nice, guys. There, how's everyone doing today? Hope you're having a great day. I am here to show you the 1974 Poptop Westfalia right behind me and talk a little bit about it, basically from beginning to end in the state you see it now. We purchased this bus in San Diego. It's always been in California, to the best of my knowledge. When we bought it in San Diego, the owner had it for 25 years or so. 1995 was the last time it was on the road, or registered at least. They probably took it in their area and then just let it sit after that. So when we bought it, the motor, of course, needed to be completely rebuilt. What that means is that everything inside the motor is new and remachined. The heads are actually brand new. And there's a lot of stuff in the motor that's new as well, like the carburetors. Dual carburetors are new. The distributor is brand new. Battery is new, of course. And that was one of the first steps, was taking the motor and the transmission to the mechanic and had them rebuild both of them. So not only is the motor fully rebuilt, but the transmission as well as a brand new clutch, a new clutch cable, all the things regarding shifting that would cause issues down the road have all been wiped out and replaced and new. So one less thing to worry about. Well, many less things to worry about. The next thing we had to do on it, along with the motor and transmission, was the brakes. Being that it had been sitting since 1995, all the brake system was replaced. And to put it very simply, is everything that has to do with the brakes is new. Not rebuilt, but new. That's of course, the brake pads. The front of this is a disc brake system, so the calipers are brand new, along with the pads. The master cylinder is also new. All the cylinders in the back are new, of course. The springs, everything related to the brake system, are brand new and replaced. You have a brand new e-brake cable, the emergency brake cable in the middle. That cable is brand new as well. So that kind of covers the brake area of the bus. Of course, after the brakes, you need some new tires. So we've got some brand new tires all around it, as well as the new caps, of course. From that point, the bus was at a body shop getting all the body work done. It didn't need a whole lot of body work on it. It was actually a really nice bus to begin with. It had some common rust areas, which are really simple to replace when they are basic rust, like a couple of lower quarter panel replacements. That's easy. Cutting out, welding the new piece on, and that's pretty much it for the body. From that, it went to paint. As you can see, it's a nice, it's called Brilliant Orange. L20B is the code on it, and it's the original color to it. If you look in the inside, you'll see that it's a nice match, and that's because it's the same exact color. And then you notice the checkered plaid interior seats. That is what this particular model would have came with. So we ordered those seats and fabric from gowesty.com. They have the actual same checkered plaid interior for the bus. So you can see the back cushion here, the back Z bed. That'll pull out to a full bed, and it has the original checkered plaid interior on it. That was one of the other steps, along with several things on the inside of the bus. Let's see, is it locked? Let me see here. Yeah, it's locked. There we go. So on the inside, we also replaced this lower rubber mats here. Those are new. They're really nice to put new ones. Of course, the rubber floor mat here is also new, and some nice clean kick panels, nice clean door panels. All the little extras, like the little rubber steppers, are also new and replaced. The headliner on this thing is beautiful. Very beautiful wooden original Westfalia headliner on it, as well as the rear back panels. Really nice, really clean. You can see again the checkered plaid interior. This will pull out to a full bed. Let's see if I can do it with one hand right now while I'm talking. Might be able to. There we go. Got a nice full bed. Really cool, really cool. Of course, you've got a table in there. Cool little table. And then this will pop up here all the way to the top. You've got a brand new tent. You can see some of it peeking out right here. Brand new tent. And up on top, again, you have the checkered plaid Westfalia print redone. That's also a full bed up there. So when the top is up, you have a full bed. This little piece right here flaps forward, and you've got a bed for 2 people, as well as a bed for 2 people down below. Walk out here. After paint, that was time to put the windows back in, like these Gelosi windows, along with the new window trims here that you can see. The back here as well. Back window rubber's replaced. When we take it to the paint shop, the windows are out, and when it comes back, we pop the new window sills in all around, as well as the new trim, like the side rear view mirrors go in, and the rubber seals right here are also replaced. If we go to the top here, you'll notice that this rubber seal right here, it's called Weatherstripping, that's also replaced. What this does, it helps to keep the moisture out, the rain and things like that, out of the bus. So this is also new and replaced right here, all the way around. You don't want to get that brand new tent wet, you know what I mean? Things like this on the side are also new and replaced. Nice brand new turn signal lenses. Some of the rubber seals here, of course. Let me give you a look of the motor. It's a nice, clean, fresh, very low miles. I've put about maybe 100 or so miles on it, and that's the transmission, the motor, everything about it, the clutch, all that stuff has just got about 100 miles on it, including the tires, everything. And it's been performing really well. I'll take it back to the mechanic soon just for another oil change. When you get a brand new fresh motor in it, it's recommended after about 500 miles you go in for just a quick oil change to get any residue and stuff out of the oil. Registered currently. It is a currently registered bus. I drive it. I've been driving it daily, and it's been running really nice for me. Let's open up this side here. We've got, again, the clean panels, clean kick panels, brand new rubber floor mats, these mats here are also replaced and new. The interior is super beautiful. I love it. Love the color. I love everything about it. It's just bright, it pops, and it goes really well with the overall look of the bus. And it's nothing but thumbs up when I'm driving it, I'll tell you that. People love buses, and when you see a nice orange one coming down the road, you can't miss it. Gorgeous. The emblem as well. In here you've got the grill, nice and clean grill, bolts, you know, new bolts and stuff like that. The turn signal lenses. I do have the wipers. I'm in Southern California. Never rains here. The rare chances it does rain, I won't be driving the bus. I'll take my newer car. So buses like this I like to enjoy, you know, in great weather like today. So that's why the bus is out. That's why I'm driving it around. It's a perfect day for it. So let me do a little walk around again. Things that pop up, I will mention. One thing that I remembered right now is there's another new piece on here. It's a common piece that goes out on a lot of buses that we purchase. It's just an old piece that wears out over time, and that piece is this sliding door mechanism right here. This sliding door mechanism is replaced. Sometimes the old ones, they roll slow and it's harder to close it. So those are things that get replaced on there as well that I forget to mention. Speaking of forgetting to mention, it's reminding me that not only is the motor rebuilt and the transmission is rebuilt along with tons of other parts, some of those parts are, the starter is brand new. The fuel pump is also brand new. Running through all these things in my head here. I think I did mention that the dual carburetors are brand new. Those are 40 picked carburetors. It just means a little more power. The motor is a 2-liter motor. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. That is the most power for a stock motor that you can get, and that is what we put in it. 2-liter motor. It runs really nice. New gas cover. You know, little things like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of my 1974 Poptop Westfalia bus. It is available, and I will put the links everywhere so you can find it. If you're interested, you can send me a message. I reply to everybody. You can email. You can reach me on Instagram. You can reach me through this link, this ad here. And if you're interested, we could talk about it. It's a great running bus. Everything is replaced on it. So in my opinion, if I was going to do something like a long road trip, I would take a bus like this. They're old, things can happen, but I'd rather be in one like this that is fully rebuilt and ready to go than, you know, something that I don't quite know about. So thanks for checking out the video. I'll do a little quick walk around again of the bus with me out of the frame. And I hope you guys enjoy it. And again, any questions you have on it, it is available. And I'm ready to answer any questions that you might have.